told you you can just eliminate all the noise and BS when it comes to fitness and fat loss success after 40 and focus on this one key domino. You knock this one domino down, everything else in your fitness and fat loss journey will become so much easier. Hey buddy, I'm Brian, founder of FatLossAfter40.com, and that domino is your metabolism. As we age, our metabolism slows down, it's stunted, it stalls. We need to renew, reset, and reinvigorate your metabolism. How are we going to do that? Three things. First is strength training. Nothing ignites your metabolism like progressive strength training. Number two is protein power. Focus on getting at least 100 grams of protein. And number three is rest and recovery, because the old way of doing fitness with soul-crushing workouts and starvation diets, that way is over. That is the old way of doing the workouts. The new way is enough rest and recover, doing the workouts that are right for you, for your body type, for your goals, for your needs and your abilities, and not some generic cookie cutter program. Focus on the new way of fitness, knock down that first domino in your metabolism, get the results that you desire and deserve.